Hey everybody, I'm Veljko and I'm about to install a $20 multimedia on my Lexus. Now, I've seen many owners of the second generation IS250, IS350s. They install the multimedia in their car to modernize it. Now, I don't drive my Lexus a lot. I don't drive to work and back or do many long trips. So I didn't feel like I need it, but I would still like to easily play music and have navigation in the nice spot. And I think I solved that issue with just $20. So let me get in the car and I'll show you how I did it. So my $20 multimedia includes of two $10 products. Let's start with the magnetic holder. So I've already installed and this is the location that I picked. I first wanted to put like here maybe, but I block a lot of the screen and I like my navigation or my music, my multimedia screen to be more up. So I chose this discrete location that you barely can notice when you get in the car that it's there. Now I can still move the close the vents or open the vents. They're not blocked. See, when I put, because it's a magnet, it's very strong, it does block a bit of the vents, but then you direct them on the sides. In order for this to work, you need to have a magnet, which it comes with. You need to put the magnet, I'll just show you. You lose the ability to wirelessly charge, but that's okay. Charging your phone wirelessly is slow anyway. Just like me, make sure and buy the better quality phone holder magnets because it's worth it. Like, you use it a lot, so don't go cheap on it. And putting it is just lean it and it's there. I've tested it for a month now. I've been going over bumps and braking, accelerating. It never fell. Like, the magnet was very strong. So this is how it looks from my perspective while I drive. It's a very nice location. It's a bit too much tilted up, but you can still see it. Now that I mounted my phone, I can use navigation and the rest, but I cannot play music still, which is the most important thing, if you ask me. And that's where this thing comes in. So it's the car Bluetooth audio receiver. So what it does is enables you to connect via Bluetooth and play music. So powers on via the USB and the aux jack you connect to the car, and you have music from your phone via Bluetooth. So this is how it looks like. Luckily my Lexus has both in the central compartment. So there's the 12-volt socket that you put the adapter for USB and you have power, and the aux input is right next to it. So you can barely notice that you have it. It says there it's connected. The moment you enter the car, it automatically connects. So you already have music. Of course, switch to aux mode on the radio and you can play it. So I'll play one. There is no quality loss, which is what I was looking for. That's why I also buy a more expensive car Bluetooth audio receiver, and you will love it, trust me. So this is navigation, and I mean, what's good about this is your phone is always gonna be faster and better than the multimedia screens from China. So, and when you park the car, you just take the phone and you place the phone and you continue. So it's effortless. There's no, of course you have to wait for the pairing of Bluetooth to play music, but I mean, come on, for $20, it actually looks very nice. And during summer, it's actually good that if your aircon is on to cool down the phone, like, it's gonna perform better and the battery life will be good. Oh, speaking of battery life, I can from here just plug an USB, and if my phone is getting low on battery, I just connect it like that and it's charging. And because I have the OBD reader plugged in, of course there's a button that I can turn on and off to not be plugged in all the time and working. I just click the OBD button to turn on, and I can check the vehicle's parameters here as well. So I'll show you. Now, one flaw is you cannot play music via Bluetooth because this also connects via Bluetooth. So, hey, for $20, I can live with that. So there's the car data. I just put here like the voltage, clock, and the rest. I didn't put much, but there's a lot of data and sensors that you can read. And this is how it looks like during night. It's even less noticeable that there's a phone there. I so love it. And I actually connected the OBD reader, and now I'm reading some stuff like the voltage in real time, which is cool. I'm gonna show you how it looks with the Google Maps. It's really nice. I've been traveling on vacation, and using this phone really helped me. Just make sure to have a thinner phone case, because I bought a new phone case that's a little bit thicker, so the magnet is weaker, but the phone still stayed. It didn't fall or anything. So nothing but thumbs up for this mod, and I recommend to all of you with decent phones to just try this option out, see if it works. If not, then just buy the whole unit. So yeah, that's all for this video. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.